to the first ever edition Bio 2 I Jack.
Hey,
What we doing? We just exploring Lettuce Park right now, you know. So if anybody have any ideas of what's going on, please hit the comment box and let us know.
all right. So what kind of plants we looking for, bro?
All right, we're looking for angiosperms.
Mm-hmm.
We're looking for
Seedless,
seedless,
non-vascular. Oh,
non-vascular. We're
what's
looking
this?
for.
What's this right there?
So that's a limpkin, and
Mm-hmm.
he eating a snail. So what kind of he eating a rhizoid?
Eating the rhizoids. All right. So we looking for like different clades, different super groups. For 500, what's anybody know all the super groups? Put them down in the comments below.
Please.
You know the super groups, my G.
Sarclade, excavata,
Archaeoplastida.
archaeoplastida. Um,
We got one more, right?
Euglena? No, the Euglena is not. Euglena is in excavata.
Oh, it's the Eucanoids. How you say that? Something like that.
Mhm.
So right now, oh look at this bird right here. We got something, B. You see him?
Yeah.
All right, check me out, y'all. We out here doing the I Naturalist. We trying to swoop over on this blackbird. I don't know if you can see him. I'm gonna try to zoom in. Oh, look, and another one just flew over my head. So, what kind of bird is that? Anybody know? And he's like in the pond. This is like a swamp or something. Like that we
Yeah, we
around.
at Lettuce Lake Park right
We're at Lettuce Lake Park, and we have just found a species of bird. I'm from Detroit, so only kind of birds I really see is pigeons. You know what I'm saying? My G, you don't know what that is?
now. No, it's not
It has a long beak, which means it's probably like evolved. Maybe it had like shorter beaks and that. The genome and the phenotype switched up. Bro. So I know y'all can't really see that well, but I'm not really sure what kind of species it is. All right, so when plants grow in the water, those are aquatic plants, and are those seedless vascular or seedless non-vascular? Comment down below. What you think, my G?
I think it's.
Look at that. We got the book, right? We got
I think it's non-vascular.
the non-vascular. We need to, yeah, check us out. Show them the title of the book. We got you in. B, you want the answers? We gonna get you there. We gonna take you right through this I Naturalist. Come on, get it together. You thought you was gonna tune in and not get the answers? All right, we ain't got the answers quite yet, but we gonna figure it out. We gonna figure this out. All right, we just flipping through the pages right now. We flipping through. Those some diatoms right there.
What we looking for?
We got a whole family of people right there. We gotta keep. We on the trail now. They guess they part of the naturalness too today.
Alright, so see the vascular. See something like this.
And we just seen.
Out the water.
Okay,
So
so
it gotta have
listen to
something
the
connected to the
explanation now.
soil.
So give them the explanation of the seedless vascular.
Okay, so with the seedless vascular, you see it's growing out the water.
Okay. So does that mean they asexual or sexual
They are
plants?
asexual reproducers.
Okay, so they're asexual reproducers, which means that what they reproduce on their own.
On their own, yeah, they don't need
So they don't have like the male and
yeah, the
female
male female.
gametes on the same uh, tree, or they do actually, because if they're asexual, then they got their own reproductive system working.
Hmm.
So they sex and they self show. Them plants is freaky, freaky plants. Comment down below if you ever been asexual. You know what I'm talking about. It was a joke. Come on, y'all. It's I natural. That's natural. Damn it. I natural this. So yeah, I'm a junior at the University of South Florida, biomed.
I'm also a junior at the University of South Florida. And
Wow, man. Hey, let me see this. Let me read that to them. We gotta break them down so they really know. And we seen some. Actually, we just seen some ferns. If we come across some more, then we'll take some pictures of the real joint so you can see it. But we should. I know my camera kind of janky. Let me wipe this off. All right, should be a little more clear. So right now it seems like we're surrounded by seedless vascular.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what
You
we
see
got.
like how those going out of the...
Hey,
Well,
see.
not really. No, never mind. Look, you see the whole little line
Mhm.
going down into the water,
Yeah.
and then they got the plants growing off of the root.
Okay. So these plants, they seem like they're connected because it's like a long root. You can see it in the water. And these little green things are called duckweeds. These are not natural to Florida. They came down here. From what I heard, that's like on boats. They would just like stick to the
Yeah, when
boats.
he said that when they
The,
travel their boats throughout the river, they attach to the boats. So
yeah,
okay, what is duckweeds?
that's
Are they sexual or asexual?
they have to be asexual.
Asexual.
Yeah, they asexual. So
Oh,
they
this
just
thing goes
moved
back
from.
around to the front.
Yeah, yeah. So, all right, naturalist. All right, what else? What else we got? We need some angiosperms. What is it? What is?
That's flowering plants.
Okay.
Angiosperms are flowering plants.
All right. Hello, hello.
Alright. So are we looking for flowering plants? Like
So
you
we're
see,
probably
like
going back over what
yeah,
was at the last time because all these
I'm
are
telling you, we
quite.
got to go to the botanical place.
Oh,
Man,
she a
by the
tutor. What
school.
you tutor? What subject? She got the tutor necklace on.
I don't give a damn.
She like, I don't tutor shit. That was the I Naturalist moment. You want to camera? You want to do some camera work, G? Hot. Let me see what I could plug them in right now. So
Can't see it's beautiful out here, y'all.
the phylum of the brophyte, we got the polytricium. All right. We can observe the sporophyte and the gametophyte generations. Note the sporophyte capsule is present. Okay, I got a question for y'all. What is the dominant, is it sporophyte or gametophyte in vascular plants?
Sporophyte is the dominant.
Sporophyte is the dominant. Okay, you think you know some people tell me about the reproductive life cycle of the sporophyte.
Okay, so I think it's meiosis.
Hold on, let me get the graph out so just in case you try to put the camera on me, I'm gonna know what I'm
Yeah.
talking about, B.
I think it's
This is the liverwort, so I gotta go back some. Go ahead, I'm listening, B. I'm listening.
meiosis or mitosis.
Which one go first, meiosis or mitosis, B? You gotta get this
Mitosis.
together. Okay, hold the phone, I got you. All right, I got you, B. So tell me what's going on.
So you got mitosis.
All right, let me see. So you said meiosis go first, right?
Meiosis first.
All right, let's go this way.
Meiosis
All
first.
right, let me break you down. So number one.
Fertilization.
Gators out
Number
there.
one.
There's some gators out there.
Yeah.
Oh, we got some gators.
I hope y'all better. All right, so look, the diploid sporophyte is the dominant generation. We said that, in the life cycle of ferns and other vascular plants. All right, so you said that we're going into meiosis first, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the sporangina are multicellular structures that develop on the underside of the mature fern. We've seen some ferns earlier. Sporophyte leaves, spora occurs in clusters and known sori. Okay, so we gotta check out the soil. What's these? We didn't see these ones. These are like got the pine shape. They still seeded non-vascular because they like right by the water.
Yeah, they anchor.
So yeah, you're right. Meiosis goes next. Okay, so what happens from then is that once meiosis occurs within the sporangina to produce a haploid spore, which is dispersed by the wind.
Mm-hmm. Which is
Okay,
which
so
is how they
this
which
is
is how
going
they
on. That's why these are asexual.
yeah, that's how they sexually reproduce. Just like a plant and pollen, when the wind blow, the pollen carry from one plant to another or whatever like that, and
Yeah,
then
you got YouTube
yeah.
just after looking at the deck. They like we can't see none of
shit,
the
yeah.
vasculars.
You gotta that bit that high he finna blow be.
All right, so boom. Phone hot. Damn, Samsung, you got my hand on smoky right now, about to burn my tissue just to do the I Naturalist joint. So basically, these are asexual plants here that are seeded non-vascular because we said the sporophytes are multicellular structures that develop under the leaf. So don't see no more ferns over here. All right, moving on, moving on. So boom, from there, that's when mitosis occurs because you got to remember the spores, they have a protective
See, this might be an
spore
angiosperm.
polyene. Well, okay,
Like
hold
this,
up.
like a flowering plant, you know?
Okay, so we got some flowering plants,
Yeah, so this might be an angiosperm right here. Like this plant.
but it's on seeded non-vascular. So is there a symbiotic relationship going on here?
It has to be because it's what's going on is
I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's like flowering plants right here, which we said are angiosperms, right? Because angiosperms, let me see, give them the definition.
an angiosperm is a flowering plant.
Flowering, they just told you that the angiosperm, if you get that wrong on
That's
your
the
exam,
definition for them.
that's it. That's the definition. So
Yeah, see this? And what kind of plant is this? A vascular or seeded non-vascular plant?
that's got to be a seeded non-vascular.
How's it seeded?
I said, see, oh, well, I don't see
Yeah,
no
it might be
seed.
seeded because it's.
Well, when it flowers, like, it's probably like some pollen in there. You know what I'm saying? And it blows it to the female gametophyte
So
plant,
what is
wherever she's
what
at.
is the second agent that carries the pollen from one plant to another to allow for reproduction?
It could either
of
be
plants?
wind or it could be like from animals, like a
Like a bee or
bird or a
something like that.
bee.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Alrighty,
So that's how it transfers. And so it says meiosis occurs in the cell within the sporangina, produce a haploid spore, which are dispersed by the wind. So boom, we got that right. And then from there, what's the next step?
it's fertilization or
Mitosis.
mitosis.
Yeah.
Okay.
Boom. So tell me from the beginning, B.
So we got meiosis,
Okay.
mitosis.
But we got to get into particulars because they want to know in meiosis, the sporangina, there are multicellular structures that develop under the underside of the sperm
So
where spores live. So
that's what it's prawns in
clusters
the
are known as
soil.
sori. So in the sori, that's when meiosis is happening. So when you find a fern and you look under the fern and you see the cluster, that's sporangina, and the sporangina individually, oh look, you can see the flowering plants better, are sori. And the sori, inside the sori, or the sporangina, that's where meiosis occurs, right? So meiosis occurs right there, and the sporangina says, look, boom, you see the sporangina, y'all? You see that shit?
Mm-hmm.
Sporangina. Meiosis occurs in the cells within the sporangina to produce a haploid spore. This is sporangina, which is dispersed by the wind. Say hello to the puppies. All right. So boom. So from the sporangina, this is like this is where all that gators really be. Over here. They said they seen some. We looking for gators, y'all. Welcome to this I Naturalist event. We wasn't even looking, bro. We was just walking.
So we trying to figure out these plants, B.
We're trying to figure them out. Phone is on sizzle.
Maybe the rain will cool it down.
Or break this bit all the way.
Whatever ain't cold, B.
It's raining. My G ain't got no shirt on. That nigga thought he was Hulk Hogan on the I Naturalist trip. I don't know if you want to go to. It don't seem like it's gonna get us.
Oh,
Nigga, you know we don't forget cotton.
Yeah, we got us already early.
Hey, this shit gonna be fucked up if it starts stuttering while we on our I Naturalist trip. These niggas gonna be laughing like. Alright, so we moving. Look, the sun is out. We in Florida, by the way, just in case you was.
I don't know what's going on.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, you seen the USF joint. We said it was the USF I Natural. So hoped you figured that we was in Florida. So, but it's beautiful out here. You see the sun is shining. It's like a little Medusa thing going on the top with a couple little drops of rain. This is a big ass tree though. Look how big this tree is, bro. Look at that shit. It's just going up. Yeah, what if that motherfucker just fell on this bridge? We'd be assed out, bro.
The whole bridge would collapse down there.
Hey, yo, if the tree fell on the bridge, it's water moccasins and shit out here, it'd be over with. Over with.
The nigga falling. And how all the goddamn water moccasins pop up then. Can't see
I ain't
one
see you
right
one
now.
right now. That bitch be right on your ass. We still mobbing. Shout out to all the biomed students. Shout out to everybody at USF, whatever degree you trying to do. Keep doing you. Stay focused. Keep your head up, man. When them exams come, man, you got to stay focused. Tell them, G. Tell them, G.
Yeah, them exams ain't nothing to
Tell them,
play
G.
with, B. Cause they do a whole 360 on you,
I'm
B, from the
saying,
study guide.
look, you don't study, yo. That exam pop up on you like a scary movie. You looking at that shit, sweating
Just think
right
about it. You
away.
don't study, you don't eat.
Hey, so you heard it. You don't study, you don't eat. So make sure you hitting them books, cause it's real out here. It's real out here. We just took a midterm.
He just took a
If
midterm.
I did good, I post my grade. If y'all don't see my grade on the next one, look, we in the game right here, y'all. Check me out. I naturalist. It's so
White
natural.
ibis.
It's so natural right now. Don't scare. They like niggas. It's like, man, they out there. Oh, that. Okay. We don't see this in Detroit. Like I said, all we see is like pigeons. You know what I mean? The batteries
Boy, there's
getting
so much
low.
food out there, he don't matter what he does.
They gonna be full. It's definitely not a shortage of food around here for them. So I don't know if we wanna mob back around and try to see if we can catch a gator. Cause this is like the end of the trail, B. What you wanna do, yo? Or you wanna walk around? But I said we walk back through that, B.
That's a long goddamn walk.
It's gonna be long either way. We on the other side, either how.
Come on.
Yeah,
What
it was,
time is it? How long we got?
I don't know.
Oh, it's 6:05.
I got 7%. It's about to be over
We
with.
got 20 minutes.
Over with, B. Alright, we're on the way back. What's the name of them plants right there? Remember we took a picture of earlier, B. You read the sign, B,
The
for
hammock,
500.
the oak hammock.
The oak hammock.
The oak hammock.
Oak hammock
That's
tree.
the oak hammock. Yep.
We'll take oak hammock tree for
Oak
500
hammock
points.
for 500 balls. Yeah, oak
Bing,
hammock.
bing, bing. You all right?
Well, no, the oak hammock's one growing in water.
Well, maybe they are
Is this a
diverse.
palm tree?
They're diverse, B.
Yeah. We're gonna make it look on the other side.
Yeah.
Like it's raining a
Yeah.
little harder.
Well, it's raining, y'all. Let me try to double time it on you one time for your mind. I'm trying to see what's good. Yo, my phone is like smoking hot. No. So, boom. Thank y'all for tuning in to the I Naturalist Experience.
We'll be back. This is our first one.
We'll be back. We'll be back.
Back and back.
We gotta come out here when it's popping. Oh, low, but alright, we're gonna sign off. Y'all got 5%. I ain't gonna do all like that.
See our progression.
Hey,
Peace.
peace.
Peace out, man.
Hey, I'm gonna leave y'all with my phone. You can't even see it 'cause my phone finna die. There you go. See this vascular.